Every night at 12:03, the old Remington typewriter in my attic erupted into furious clacking. I'd inherited it from a relative I never met, with strict instructions: never interrupt its midnight session. Tonight, curiosity won. As I crept closer, the keys pounded out a message: "Stop watching." My breath caught. Suddenly the keys stilled, and the carriage snapped toward me, pointing like an accusing finger. Words bled onto the page, letter by letter. "Now you're next." The typewriter's ribbon unraveled, snaking toward my feet, dragging me closer. I screamed, but the attic swallowed every sound.